Welcome to Simple Code Hub, learning programming and coding made simple. Learn the key parts of the Visual Basic Editor: Project Explorer, Properties window, Code window, Immediate window, Ctrl G, Watch and Locals windows. Understand how to write, run, and debug VBA code efficiently. Launching the VBA Editor. Press Alt plus F11 in any Office application to open the Visual Basic Editor. VBA Project Explorer Layout. This panel shows the structure of your VBA project and where your code lives. Sheets contain worksheet-specific VBA code. Forms store user forms used for user interaction. Modules hold standard VBA procedures and functions. Class modules define custom objects, properties, and methods. Navigation and actions. This area explains how to work with the Project Explorer efficiently. Tree structure and navigation. View all open workbooks and VBA objects. Nodes and toggle folders. Expand or collapse branches to organize the view. Context menu access. Right-click items to insert, rename, or remove. Direct object access. Quickly open sheet code, modules, and this workbook. Organizing code with modules. Modules are used to store and organize VBA macros and functions. Key steps: right-click project, insert module, rename immediately. Best practice: use clear names with underscores, no spaces. Why important? Improves code clarity, faster navigation, and easier maintenance. Properties window. Used to view and edit settings of the selected VBA object. Key uses: rename modules or forms, show or hide sheets, visible/very hidden, lock and secure VBA projects. Important note: changes apply instantly, no extra save required. The code window. This is where you write and edit VBA macros. Key points: write macros inside sub and sub. Use message box to display output. Add comments using an apostrophe. Keep code indented for readability. Press F5 to check syntax and run the macro. Immediate window, Ctrl plus G. Used to run single-line VBA commands instantly without creating a macro. Key uses: test quick calculations, print 2 plus 2, check variable values during debugging, run macros instantly using call macro name. Why important? Saves time, helps debugging, and allows fast testing while coding. Watch window. Used to monitor variable values in real time while debugging VBA code. Key use: add a variable to watch and step through code using F8. Why important? See value changes instantly, making bugs easy to detect and fix without guesswork. Locals window. Automatically shows all variables in the current procedure during debugging. How to use: press F8 to step through code and watch values update live. Why important? Displays variable name, type, and value instantly, no setup required, making it ideal for tracking arrays and complex data. 5-minute VBE practice. Do it now. Part 1. Record, open, clean. Record a simple macro in Excel. Open the VBE, Alt F11. Remove unused lines and add clear comments. Part 2. Insert, write, test. Insert a new module. Write a small function or sub. Test it using the Immediate window, Ctrl G. Goal: practice real VBA actions to build confidence and muscle memory quickly. Thanks for watching. Reach out with questions and stay connected with Simple Code Hub for more learning.